Hi guys, and welcome to our very first YouTube video. Firstly, we wouldn't be here without your support, and secondly, I'll be taking you briefly through our unique on-chain options platform. Before we dive into a trade, I want to articulate our funding fee mechanism. The whole liquidation process is different from what's been used in the industry. So in short, if you open long, and the price dropping won't get you liquidated, but the ongoing funding fee will. More on that later. So on our homepage, we've just got a few links. Start trading takes you to the platform, and we've got the docs and FAQ that link you to our Git book. Loads of information with our light paper there as well, and some information on why we built Shield. Completely decentralized, on-chain options, and a lot of other attractive aspects. And we've built it with the focus for traders, offering options and perpetuals. And there's a bit about our roadmap that we've included, and some information on our ecosystem and how the 5 key parts interact with each other. And there's loads of information about this in the Git book reference at the start there. And as we go further down, got some testimonials and some links to our communities where we do loads of events. Join and be a part of it, and some information about our investors and who we've been backed by, and some PR links down the bottom there. So now to the trade. So we're going to input 1 Bitcoin just as an example, and what I want to show you now is the funding fee calculator, because it's unique. So note the first phase is phase 0, and that's a settlement period, and each phase after is 10% charged of the initial phase opening fee. There's some information on the maintenance margin, and if you want to open long or short, you can do so. We will open the long. Here's some information about the trade, and that's our big funding fee, but remember that to keep it open, we just pay the next phases. And we just proceed to confirm with the MetaMask. And there we go. Now we're going to head down to our orders. Now I've got a previous order opened that has actually shown some realized profits, which will be closing, not the order we've just opened. And so hit close. Now you'll see some basic information about the opening price, closing, and the amount of profits that we'll receive. It could be negative, but hit close. This will bring you to the MetaMask window where we confirm. Now that's all on chain, directly straight into your wallet, not on the platform. And so you hit OK, and there you go, your balance has been added to the funding balance. And that's it for our first video on how to open and close a trade. Thanks.